The cat is wounded his left leg, so you can see here one leg is just the front leg, the left leg is just like is wounded. I think this is the cat is not female, it is a male cat. Bilay, Bilay. He's wounded by his leg, and he is wounded, and he is very tired. He's wounded. Because one leg is just like the upper, you can see here. And he is I don't know him. He suddenly come in our home garden because the cat sixth sense already detected that I am an animal lover. That is why he is crying. He's not crying. He's uttering. Can you help me? But his pain is feeling a bit pain. One leg, you can see here, the one leg is upward, not pressure in the left hand leg. Bilay, Bilay, Bilay. Bilay. Bilay, Can you help anybody to rescue this cat from this pain, leg pain? He did something. Bilay is eating. Cat is eating chicken bone. And this is the time is very early morning, very early morning, and cold season, due cold season.